Assalamualaikum. Ako po si Alia and welcome po sa aking channel. Kung bago po kayo dito, please consider subscribing and pakiclick po ang bell button para ma-notify kayo kapag meron akong mga bagong uploads. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay ang Wikang Tausug, English-Tausug translation. Magbibigay po ako ng mga words and phrases sa Wikang Tausug. Yung English word, ilalagay ko po ang iba't ibang kahulugan niya sa Tausug. Come, let him or her come tomorrow. Pakariya siya, konsum. Pakariya siya, let him come or let her come. Konsum, tomorrow. We'll just come here if we need something. Marida kami bang awon kagunahan mo. Marida kami, we'll just come here bang awon kagunahan mo if we need something. Come here, karikaw. I'll come for him or her again tomorrow. Karion ko siya magbalik konsum. Karion ko siya, I'll come for him or I'll come for her. Magbalik again, konsum tomorrow. Take care, kamaya. Kamaya kaw, mag-ingat ka. Kamaya kaw diton, mag-ingat ka dyan. Kamaya kamo, mag-ingat kayo. Kamaya kamo diton, mag-ingat kayo dyan. You fill the gallon with water. Loon kamo tubig, paggalon. Loon, fill, tubig, water. Galon, gallon. Fill the tin can with salt. Looni asin in metal. Looni, fill, metal, tin can. I'll be the one to cook the rice. Ako na in magtugna sin bugas. Magtugna to cook, bugas, rice. Cook the rice. Tugna kaw bugas. Tugna, cook, bugas, rice. Let's cook the beef now. Lutuon ta na bihaon in sapi. Lutuon ta, let's cook, bihaon, now, sapi, beef. I like the fried fish than the roasted one. Mabaya ako, perito ista, dain sindiangdang. Mabaya ako, I like, perito ista, fried fish, diangdang, roasted. We both have the same strong liking for eating green mangoes. Sibo da insub na mo, magkilaw mampalam. Sibo da insub na mo, we both have the same strong liking, mampalam, green mangoes. I will prepare the things needed for the house. Maghidyatul ako sin kalagihan habay. Maghidyatul ako, I will prepare, kalagihan, things needed, habay for the house. Prepare a meal for your children. Adjali pagkaon in mga anak mo. Adjali, prepare, pagkaon, meal, mga anak, children. Boil some eggs. Mag-aman kaw mga itlog. Mag-aman, boil, mga itlog, eggs. Just boil that vegetable for a while. Lakboi sadya in sayol yan. Lakboi, boil, sayol, vegetable. Don't add too many tomatoes when you make fish soup. Ayaw pataurain kamatis bangkaw magtula. Ayaw pataurain kamatis, don't add too many tomatoes. Make fish soup, magtula. Saute these vegetables, gulingain mga sayol ini. Guling, saute, mga sayol, vegetables. Saute the shrimps for me. Gisaha baka ko mga ulang ini. Gisaha, saute, mga ulang shrimps. Fry some dried fish. Landang-landang kaw tahay. Landang-landang fry, tahay, dried fish. I'll fry the egg first. Daralon ko muna in itlog. Daralon or daralon ko, I'll fry, itlog, egg. Roast the fish in the embers. Dangdang kaw isda, habaga kayo. Dangdang, roast, baga kayo, embers. Add spices when you roast a chicken. Butangi pamapa, bang magpanggang manok. Butangi, add, pamapa, spices, magpanggang, roast. Add grated coconut to the roasted cassava. Butangi kyugut lahing in siyang lag. Butangi, add, kyugut lahing, grated coconut, siyang lag, roasted cassava. What will you buy? Uno in bihon mo. Uno, what, bihon, will buy. I'll use this money to buy clothes. Hipami ko badyo in sin ini. Hipami ko in sin ini. I'll use this money to buy badyo clothes. Buy some fish in the market. Panabukaw, ista. Panabukaw, buy in the market. Ista, fish. Buy me a thread. Bihi ako tanod. Bihi ako, buy me, tanod, thread. Buy me a gallon of cooking oil. Bihi ako hangka galon lanalahing. Bihi ako, buy me, hangka galon, a gallon, lanalahing, cooking oil. You eat now, it's already noon time. Kaon na kaw, mataas na insuga. Ay, kaon na kaw, you eat now, mataas na insuga. It's already noon time. I'll eat this bread. Kaunon ko in tinapay ini. Kaunon ko, I'll eat tinapay, bread. I'll feed the children. Pakaunon ko na in mga bata. Pakaunon ko, I'll feed mga bata, children. We will eat the roasted fish while it's hot. Maglanlan kami, Cynthia pa ista, baba mapasok. Maglanlan kami, we will eat, tia pa ista, roasted fish, mapaso, hot. I'll eat this chicken without rice. Lanlanon ko na in manok ini. Lanlanon ko, I'll eat without rice, manok, chicken. Let's eat some leftover food so we won't be hungry. Mga pug kita kaunon, bat kita di hapdion. Mga pug kita kaunon, let's eat some leftover food, bat kita di hapdion so we won't be hungry. Hanggang dito lang po muna tayo. At kung meron po kayong natutunan, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, share at mag-subscribe po para po sa ating mga susunod na videos. Maraming salamat sa panunood. Maasalama!